Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Sound over here and tap on Vibrate Full Calls. After that, select one of those options for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with Never Vibrate, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. Following that, scroll down and click on Shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here you can select Vibration by tapping on this option. Now go back, choose Advanced, scroll down and tap on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibrations and start vibrations to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!